Did you know having an untidy home is not a sign that you're lazy? It's a sign that you're busy. Hi, I'm Marissa from beautifulyorganised.com. As parents, we juggle a lot and life feels non-stop busy every day, no matter how old our kids are. When we're constantly on the go juggling work, life, family, and social commitments, something's got to give, and usually it's the state of our home. We all want a tidy house we can relax and enjoy living in, but we don't always have the time to take care of it, or the cash to outsource it, or the mental space to delegate it. Let's make it easier to maintain a lovely living space this year with the free Neat and Tidy Challenge. We'll keep it super simple. The goal is a neat and tidy home to relax in. The method will focus on tidying one space in our homes each month, and I'll send you an email with a room suggestion and my favorite tips on how to manage it the easy way. Want to join me? Click on the link below and I'll see you in your email inbox. No matter how old our kids are. It's non-stop busy no matter... That's my kids. We're gonna take small steps to manage what's going on during that month with a suggested steps. Oh, hi, I just wanted to let you know before you watch the next video, we have some really good resources that are totally free, and we run regular workshops online, so you can join me live if you want to. Check out the links below and hopefully I'll see you there soon.